Hello everyone. Welcome back to Cryotos Maintenance Management. I'm your host, Bruce, and today we have a crucial topic on our hands: overcoming obstacles in implementing CMMS. We're lucky to have me, our resident expert in maintenance management and IOIT, back with us today. Welcome, Me.
Thanks, Bruce. It's always a pleasure to join these informative sessions.
Today, we're talking about the hurdles organizations face when implementing a computerized maintenance management system. To start, could you highlight some common obstacles, May?
Of course, Bruce. The three most common obstacles are resistance to change, inadequate training, and insufficient data input.
Resistance to change is indeed a common hurdle in many situations. How can organizations tackle this when implementing a CMMS?
A key strategy is to involve all stakeholders early in the process. Give them a voice and make them a part of the solution. Clearly communicate the benefits of the CMMs and how it will make their work easier and more efficient in the long run.
Involvement and communication, noted. Now, what about inadequate training? How can we overcome this?
Training is critical for any new system. Organizations should ensure that comprehensive training sessions are provided, allowing users to become comfortable with the system. Furthermore, the training should be role-specific to address the unique needs of different users.
Makes perfect sense. And what about the last obstacle, insufficient data input? How can that be tackled?
That's a tricky one, Bruce. The efficacy of a CMMS is highly dependent on the quality of the data input. Organizations must ensure that they input accurate and comprehensive data into the system. This might mean conducting a thorough audit of assets and their maintenance history before even beginning the implementation.
That's very insightful, May. Any final advice for our listeners who might be considering implementing a CMMS?
Sure, Bruce. Remember, the journey of implementing a CMMS is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, planning, and a collaborative effort. And while overcoming these obstacles might seem daunting, the benefits that a well-implemented CMMS brings are well worth the effort.
Well said, May. Thank you for shedding light on the challenges of CMMS implementation and how to tackle them. And to our listeners, thank you for joining us on this episode of Cryotos Maintenance Management. Stay tuned for more insights and discussions on all things maintenance management.